Welcome to our channel. If you want to change privacy settings on the Wells Fargo Mobile app, follow these step-by-step instructions to customize your privacy preferences and protect your information. Step 1. Open the Wells Fargo Mobile app on your smartphone or tablet and sign in using your username and password. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen and represented by 3 horizontal lines. Step 3. Scroll down in the menu and tap on Settings or Profile and Settings to access account configuration options. Step 4. Look for Privacy or Privacy Settings in the Settings menu. This section controls how your information is used and shared. Step 5. Review the privacy options available, which may include marketing communications, data sharing preferences, and third-party information sharing. Step 6. Toggle the switches next to each privacy option to enable or disable features according to your preferences. Disabling options typically provides more privacy protection. Step 7. Look for Security Center or Security Settings to access additional privacy-related features like biometric authentication, passcode requirements, and account alerts. Step 8. Enable multi-factor authentication, if available, to add an extra layer of security to your account access. Step 9. Review and update your communication preferences to control how Wells Fargo contacts you and what information appears in those communications. Step 10. Save your changes and exit the Settings menu. Your new privacy settings will take effect immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.